Alright, welcome back, y'all. Today this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my signature bun using just Kanekalon braiding hair. And yeah, let's get into it. So the things you're going to need is a pack of Kanekalon braiding hair, of course, which is like $2.99 or $3.99 in your beauty supply store. It depends. And what you can do is cut the hair in half, like just straight down the middle where the rubber band is, cut it in half. The reason why I'm saying that is because I don't have any on hand right now and I'm just using what I already have. So what I did was cut the Kanekalon braiding hair in half where the rubber band is, and then I just used one half of it and put it on this like little scrunchy thing, because this is going to wrap around your ponytail, your hair ponytail at the top. So you need that. I used the Shine and Jam, the Eco Styling gel. As you can see, I really run out of that. I'm running out of that. You're gonna need one of the fake buns. Now they have them where they come already pre-made, so you don't have to make them out of socks anymore. So that's good. Bobby pins. You're gonna need, of course, comb and a brush, and I have scars I use to like mold down my hair after I put the Eco Styling gel and jam on it. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is mold down your ponytail, get it in position to get ready to put the bun on. So I'm going to start doing that. What you want to do is, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it. It don't be perfect, but it looks natural. Most people, when they do buns using, I'm just gonna put the gel around my edges. Normally when people doing tutorials on their buns, they don't look natural, they look too neat. But what you want to do is make it look messy, because 9 times out of 10 your hair is not straight. So that's why I say when you get the braiding hair, you're gonna have to like scrunch it up, make it look messy, and you just want to use a wig brush with that. I wish I could show y'all, but I don't have, like I said, I don't have any on hand. So what I do is just put the jam, look better already. I put the jam around like the edges in the back, because you don't want no hair falling out, especially because my hair is shorter in the back. That's just the jam. Then you can go with the Eco Styling gel lightly and do the same thing. Oh, also you'll need an edge control brush, comb brush, whatever that's called. And you want to brush your ponytail. Another thing, I am horrible at doing ponytails. I don't know what it is, but they always end up coming out lumpy. Also, you want to make sure your ponytail is high, because of course you want the bun to sit on the top of your head. I use 2 scrunchies. Make sure everything is in place. I hate doing ponytails. You want to make sure you get it as tight as possible. Another thing you want to make sure, so when you do the bun part, you want to make sure you have like maybe like a little piece of your hair sticking out. I'm going to do my edges last. Oh, you know what? No, I can do them now. So what I do is, ooh, child, my head big. Okay, so what you want to do is take some of the Eco Styling Gel. I have long sideburns. And use the edge control brush. Normally I kind of like swoop. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to the baby hairs, nothing like that. I just kind of do whatever. And just do the same thing to the other side. And just kind of swoop it. See, look at the little bone. I told you I'm not good with ponytails. So now that your ponytail is ready, and you can do this technique if your hair is not really long enough to go around like faux bun, so that's why I do that. So what you're gonna do is now grab that Kanekalon hair with the scrunchie on it, like this, and put it on top of your hair bun. So that way it don't be moving all around. Like that. Okay. Now you want to grab that bun. My little bun is just falling to pieces. It's just breaking. Okay. What the hell? What the hell? I don't know what's happening here. They may be time for me to get another one. I think I'll just... Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna fuck it up. Okay. What the... Okay. So what you want to do is take that bun and put it around the braiding hair and your bun like it's actually a real bun. And sit it on top like that. Okay, waves. Edges. Alright. Clearly it's not moving. So when you have your bun in place, so what you're gonna do is just move. Sometimes this hair can be too long, because clearly you're gonna have to tuck some of this hair under the bun, but you want it long enough to where it covers over the bun. So now you want to make sure it's like, it don't even have to be perfect, because the purpose of it being messy is it looks natural. Other this is like how I like to wear mine. Alright, so you got this. So what you want to do is, you can use a scrunchie, but I choose not to. So I'm gonna use this and just like kind of like tuck it. That makes sense. You just tuck in. Also, when you get in the braiding hair, you want to make sure it match your hair color, because if not, it won't look as natural. Because at first I was using like a 1, just jet black. My hair is not jet black, it's like a sandy brown. So I started getting number 4, and it blends perfect, so it actually looks like my natural hair. And this is it. And that's it. That's how I do my signature bun. Take those scarves, and this is just gonna dry that Eco Styling gel and that jam, and it's gonna get you where you need to be. And I do it across the back, because like I said, my hair is short in the back, so you want to make sure it's laying down flat. I only think I need 1 today. I don't think I need 2. And then I just put the tabs here. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other little hairstyle hacks y'all would want to see, what the hell? Okay, so I get my I let my mama hold my Eco Styling gel, and it's a whole lash stuck in there. And it a whole lash. I thought it was a damn bug. Okay. Anyway, so if you want to see any more like quick hairstyle hacks or whatever, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for thank you guys so much for subscribing and commenting, because I am overwhelmed by how much love and support I'm getting. So I'm trying to make sure I get those new videos out to you guys every week like I promised. And yeah, peace.